I love working at Niftylift because everyone here will offer you help and advice.
Coming in and working as part of a large team to produce a Niftylift is a lot of fun.
And I know I'm going to have so many opportunities and it's going to set me forward for the future.
When I started on this journey 30 years ago, I never dreamed for a moment that we'd end up with a facility like this and a business like we have. But then at that time, I didn't know that I'd be joined by so many great people. Niftylift is a privately owned company based here in Milton Keynes, and it designs, develops and manufactures aerial work platforms or mobile elevating work platforms, otherwise known as cherry pickers. All our machines are made here in Milton Keynes and are shipped worldwide. I guess I started my working life as an apprentice with a large construction company. With that apprenticeship, I studied a degree in engineering and I wanted to start my own business, so I started hiring out machines. I realised there was quite a hole in the market. That's when I thought perhaps we should actually fill that hole by creating our own product. We actually started making the first few machines in our hire shed, handcrafted them. First year we built about 30, the second year we actually built about 200. And that gave us the sort of confidence to go ahead.
In 2015, the Shenley headquarters and main manufacturing site was introduced within the company. This provided a world-class working environment.
It wasn't just a case of, let's go here, put a factory up and go for it. It's a case of, well, let's create an environment where our good people can create great products.
The growth of Niftylift, I would say in North America, directly relates to opening up the facility here in South Carolina. To how the business started in the United States was toe behinds back in probably the early 90s. We were able to then grow the business to our track drive, self-propelled platform.
So yeah, I think the US customers like the simplicity of the machines, the reliability of it.
And kind of what makes us what makes us Niftylift is that there is a tremendous amount of pride and care for a customer, because if you don't have that, I just don't think we would have become what we are right now.
It gives us immense pride. The people involved with Niftylift, we are a family, and it's a partnership. The sky's the limit from there. If you have that, the sky's the limit.
The atmosphere in the factory, on the shop floor is amazing, and it makes me feel so proud to work here.
Once you see the Niftylift green, you know it's a Niftylift machine.
We do all sorts of machines, hybrids, diesel only, all electric.
I think attention to detail is really important, so everything's perfect when it goes out the door.
There's always a challenge, there's always something new, there's always new ideas to explore.
It's an open forum to be able to develop the company and its systems without limitations. You can constantly see small successes that grow into large successes.
Innovation is key to any business like ours.
Niftylift spends a lot of money on research and development for new products. We've obviously got the PSYOP system, we've got the tough cage.
It's imperative that the ideas are focused on making the product better for the user. For example, the hybrid drive system, we can run it as an electric machine or a diesel machine or a combination of both.
They are low in weight, which allows us to fit more efficient, smaller engines.
You can use them on structures where you can't use a competitor's machine because it's too heavy.
It allows for the product to be transported on a lower capacity transport whilst still achieving a very versatile working envelope.
They're high performing. There's a lot of engineering goes into making a machine light, tremendous amount.
The journey that we've been through and the constant drive for improvement has developed our products to be world class.
We work with the local schools, the local college, and we run numerous programs.
We've come on a trip to Niftylift. We didn't really know very much about Niftylift. Walking around the factory today, it just looks really exciting.
Today we are welcoming our STEAM poster competition winners. The aim was to create a poster that represented STEAM.
So that's science, technology, engineering, arts and maths.
It's so great to be a part of something that hopefully is inspirational.
We're here today to celebrate a truly amazing double whammy.
They've won 2 Queen's Awards for Enterprise, and remarkably, this is the second time they're the only company in the entire country that has ever won 2 awards at the same time twice.
The next generation of engineers are key to developing and growing the company going forwards.
I applied for work experience here, so I did a week of work experience, and from that, that's when I knew that this is something I could potentially go on and do as a career.
This is the training centre. I'm really proud of this space that we've developed here, as training is very close to my heart. This is here to help develop people along their journey at Niftylift.
I would definitely recommend apprenticeship schemes at Niftylift. Work is hard, but it is very enjoyable.
On the first day, it was quite nerve-wracking, but once I got there, met all the people, my mind was at ease.
We're not looking to stand still. We're looking to improve.
As we grow, we don't lose sight of the people, the quality, the efficiencies, the costs, the deliveries. We've got to keep a focus on what's important to the business and what's got the business to where it is today.
I love working at Niftylift because of the progression since I've been here and also the future I see for the company.
It is a company that will continue to push you forward.
You feel proud to know that, well, you had a hand in building this machine. It's a great feeling.
I get to work with so many different departments, from purchasing to engineering to production.
The standard and the quality that's actually produced here, from a customer's point of view, is second to none. I'm proud to work at Niftylift.
The best part of my job is seeing the finished product. That's a good feeling. You've been a part of that.
I've been such a great team who have made the whole story here so successful. I really do feel so grateful to them for being such a great team of people to work with.